Hey, how's it going, everyone? Today, I'm going to teach you how to read Snapchat messages without opening them. Now, there is no official way of doing this, but I have a neat trick that will help you a lot. This process is similar for both Android and iPhone. First, open your Snapchat app and then go to Chats. Here, you can see that I have some unread messages. Now, to read them without opening the chat, you need to be very careful with this next step. So, you see this Bitmoji before the name. If you click and hold on it, you will hear a small vibration. Even if you don't, that is completely fine. But what you have to do is hold the Bitmoji and swipe right slowly. It is important that you do not release the hold at any moment. If you keep swiping, you will be able to read the chats, and once you have done so, you can swipe left again, and as you can see, the message is still not opened. I hope this video was of help. Bye.